Alright, so how's the car going?
Pretty good. We've removed the donk from that one.
Yep, engine's out.
Put it in this one with the gearbox and the lot. Cranks over and starts first go,
Beautiful.
which is very surprising.
So how's the thread tapping going?
Oh yeah. This is my new tap. I bought it from Trade Tools. 20 bucks, what a bargain.
So there was a bit of an issue with the diff, Seb.
Yeah, so the car came with a H260, which is out of like a 4.8 control. They're really big and strong, but I didn't have a tail shaft that would fit with my TD42 gearbox. So I found a GU standard rear diff, swapped it out so I can run my 411 centers and put a standard tail shaft in. Bob's your uncle. So I fit all the AC lines. I will replace the O-rings before I regas it. The only issue is I'm basically missing all the clamps up on the firewall. So I'm going to probably figure out something, put some P-clamps in there and make it look a bit neater. And then yeah, everything can go back in.
What have we done, mate?
Fit the remote resis, new 3-inch coils, 100 kilo constant load probably going to be way too stiff, but she'll be right. Yeah.
Had an absolute prick of a time getting those in. Probably would have seen sketchy blocks by now. Whole bunch of fun.